We have to ask, how is the constant broadcast of our personal lives and every element of our lives changing our ideas of what it even means to be private? Welcome to Art and Technology. I'm Orit Halpern. I'm a professor in sociology and anthropology. In this episode, we'll be talking about art, technology, and privacy. We'll be meeting three artists whose work is helping us see a little clearer in the information age.
I'm Dejha Ti.
I'm Ania Catherine.
Ania and I create immersive experiences. They often merge creative technology, environments, and performance art. These tend to envelop people physically, but what's more important to us is that we envelop them both psychologically and emotionally as well. The technologies that are present in our everyday life are driven by and reflect the structures of our society. An approach that we use of integrating technology into our practice is the use of ubiquitous computing, have the technology fall into the background and become indistinguishable from everyday life.
My name is Agnieszka Kurant. I'm a conceptual artist. In my previous projects, I created a novel way of producing artworks by growing or evolving forms like living organisms or like geological formations. One of the themes in my work is the question of privacy. Most of my work centers on the phenomenon of collective intelligence in nature and in society, and on the hidden exploitations present in our everyday lives. I'm interested in the fact that nowadays the entire society became one gigantic factory of data production and exploitation, and we all became workers.
My name is Frederik de Wilde. I think that the key themes behind my art are explorations of the nature of nothingness and also the entanglement and merging of physical and digital worlds. It's about communication and how communication can take shape.
Privacy is having agency over the information that is available about you, the information that can be captured about you, and having transparency on where that information is and having control and agency on where it goes, if it goes anywhere at all. That is currently not the case.
Privacy issues do not affect everyone in the same way, nor equally, and a lot of surveillance technologies are actually tested out on the police force. And obviously we know that the police force is usually using these on Black and Brown communities.
Privacy in contemporary world is technically impossible because we're constantly being surveyed. All decisions, actions, movements, tastes, and habits are leaving digital footprints.
One of the biggest problems related to privacy in our increasingly virtualized world is probably the internet itself. I think it's swarming with bots, algorithms that extract and collect our personal data for profit, manipulation, and so on. So the more someone or something knows about us, the more power they can have over us. So I feel that the internet is broken when it comes down to privacy, and without privacy, democracy just loses its meaning.
Technology, as it gets more advanced, isn't the issue. What's the issue is having a lack of moral and legal structures to keep technology in check.
In part one, you joined me to explore the question of privacy. We met three contemporary artists addressing this question through their work and why they are drawn to engage in our wider theme of privacy.
Hyundai Motor, connecting art and technology.